of a, like with a girl or something, right? But like if I ever do go camping, I need a steel tent, a AK, a shotgun, and a Glock, my nigga. Oh shit, I was going the wrong way. I need all that shit, my nigga. I need all that shit. Just in case, I need a silver tip because if there's wolves or a bear or something, they're going right through that shit if it's not fucking healed. The front of that hoe could be whatever material. But around me, it has to be steel, my nigga. I need a bear at least 2 hits so I can get my shotgun and blast that hoe right in his fucking stomach. I'm pretty sure a bear with adrenaline can still like punch through that shit and kill you. No, I'm still not gonna stop. Or I'm gonna bring somebody else with me, like some random people. I hope they don't kill me. And I hope they go after their tent first. Because if they go after my tent first, it's G fucking. Yeah, I do want to go on a road trip or something with the bros. But I definitely gotta bring a girl with me because I gotta fuck something while I'm there. No way I'm about to go on a road trip without fucking. It's either I'm gonna have a girl or a girl's going with me or niggas.
You should play Multiverses.
Or niggas is too booty up. Should play Multiverses? Fuck. You feel me? Somebody to duke up if I go on a road trip. Go to the gas station and see if they saw my brother. Okay. The fuck do we get out this one?
Wait, NVM, we can't hear the game.
Nigga, how can you... Literally, it's... Bro, are you fucking stupid? Nigga, this nigga head shaped like a soft drink. Damn. What can I do for you, sir? I'm here searching for my brother. He was hiking around this area. Should have come here yesterday. Have you seen him? How does your brother look? He has brown hair. He's pretty tall and also has a green backpack. Let me think for a second. Yes, I saw him. I think I saw your brother. He came in here and bought a few things, some water and a few snacks. You're trying to find him? Have you told the police already? Yes, I did, in fact. But they said they didn't have the resources for the search right now. They said they only start a search if a person is missing for more than 48 hours. It isn't the first time someone went missing in this area. At least a handful of people went missing there in the last decade. People talk a lot. I've heard rumors that there's some strange screams and weird noises coming from the woods. So you should be careful, especially going there at this time of night. Why is he here at night anyways? On God, I'm only going in the daytime. There's a road right behind the gas station leads to the mountains. Make sure you stay on it. There could be dangerous wildlife in that area. Thanks. I'll make sure they stay safe. Take care. Hey, thank you, brother. No, I would kiss you on your mouth for giving me that information, but no, I don't stand no business. Where's nigga? Automatic run mechanic? Oh, I love that. Wait, hold on. Never mind, never mind. You have to run yourself. You have to run yourself. Damn, nigga, enter this bum-ass car. Oh, shit. I gotta walk. Falling. Bitch, you know I'm hella sexy. Why is he here by himself?
What's that?
Ah, bitch.
Are alerts on or what?
No alerts are not on, because I have to set it up. I'm on OBS now, you forgot? I had that shit set up on Streamlabs. Talk about some niggas went missing up here. He's just like, fuck it. We ball. Somebody gonna have your balls. Why are we doing it by ourselves though, bro? Like, I don't get it. It's like niggas want to die. Yo, D. What did that mean? Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I hate scary games, bro. I don't even get why I'm playing this shit. Nigga, my brother would have to stay missing, bro. There's no way I'm coming out here by myself. Nigga, who the fuck hikes this close to the road? Yeah, this nigga's asking to get his Duke taken. This nigga don't want his Duke no more, like, dude. Nigga! Whoa, the fuck are you? The fuck are you? You scared the shit out of me. I scared you. I almost had a heart attack myself. What do you want? I hope you're not some kind of pervert or creep. I'm not. I'm searching for my brother. He was hiking this area. Have you seen him? Nope, I haven't seen him. Wait. Don't even know how he looks. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Look, man. I'm just some guy that likes to hike in the woods, sleep in the tent in the freezing conditions. What? I haven't seen anyone in days. You're planning to go deeper into the forest? Yes, I'll search around the area. I hope I can find my brother or at least traces of him. Look, you probably think I'm a stoner or something. But last night
Are those your footsteps?
Oh, bitch! Last night I had my tent a bit up north, and I heard weird noises coming from the woods. It sounded like a child was crying, but I didn't see anything. It creeped me out. Maybe it was... oh, whatever that means. Hey, what? Look, man, you carry? What do you mean? I'm talking about a piece, you know, something for protection. Need a gun? No, I don't. We're fucking doomed. We're doomed. You're going to go search for your brother in the woods you don't know about without a AK-47 with a... man, fuck all that. A high point with a switch with a 150 round mag on that motherfucker. Yo, that shit was funny. That nigga said, get a high point with a muzzle, a switch, and a 150 mag on that hoe. So basically 2 drums. Like, that shit gonna explode in your heads. It's way too dangerous to go deeper into the woods at night. I'm not going to stop you. I just wanted to sleep now. Also, one last thing. Don't creep up on a 10 in the woods at night ever again. I would have shot you. Well, I guess I'm glad you didn't. Me too. Good luck with the... bro! Nigga! This little ass body! Nigga, what? Nigga, I'm about to sniff your butt like a dog. Nigga, I own it. What's wrong with your ass? Yeah, nigga. That little ass tent. Nigga got no bitch. Nigga in the woods with no bitches. Man, get this nigga on somewhere. What's wrong with this nigga, man? Nigga in the woods with no hoes, D. Let me get right, man. It's getting really. I should set my tent in. Hey, nigga, what the fuck? It's like this nigga, like, bro, you dry came out here, bro. My fingers are pretty numb. It's hard to build the tent. Last fingers. Nigga searching in the code for his bro. This shit tough. Hold on, nigga. Get a picture in front of my tent, man. Yo, it's the fact we got this amazing ass tent with no hose, man. Fuck. Man, I would want to show some bitch this tent. It's cold, but I'm falling asleep slowly. That nigga's fucking dead. Yo. Oh! I mean, I don't think you're imagining, my nigga. I need to check. It could be my brother's screen. I'm pretty sure, from what I've heard, you would know that's your brother or not, bro. Why do you want to go check with no protection, man? There's a little. Yo, somebody get a Duke snatched, bro. Who the fuck goes hiking with nobody? Your brother's weird, bro. He go hiking with no hose. Let him die. Yo, this nigga goes hiking with no hose.
What's that?
Ah, bitch. I figure in her mouth when she nut. She a good girl for me. She a slut. Next stab when I thumb at her Duke. How you don't have a headset, nigga? Oh no! Oh no! Oh nah, we got a booty warrior in the woods.
I hear footsteps.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I did blow off some steam, bro. I might just fuck your mama, Renix. Better pick up that hammer. Whoever walks in, fucking kill that nigga, bro. Bro, I heard that nigga just walk. D. Bro, Davo. Watch me play the
I
game.
was about to say.
Watch me play the game, bro. Yeah, watch me play it, bro. Go my stream. Please. I'm begging you, my nigga. I can't do it by my fucking self. This. Somebody, yeah, my dude, yeah. This nigga, yo. Run into the dude. I see what girls be talking about, bro. I'd rather be stuck in the woods with a bear. There's a fucking Duke Destroyer out here, bro. No, you don't never know when that nigga go get your Duke. That's like a nigga on the dark web on your body. And he keep taking pictures, you sending them to your mailbox talking about some, I'm gonna get you, just wait. You know there's a Duke Destroyer out here. Found your brother's hiking bag with nothing in it. Nothing in it. And you went inside? Are you fucking stupid? Hey, blood. I would have immediately got that axe hid in this corner right here with a chair at, and as soon as walks, I am murdering. Yo, I'm gonna have to take that charge, bro. I'm gonna have to take that charge. Because if a nigga took a picture of my tent on Jesus, that's enough evidence for me to get out of fucking jail. What? I'm killing that nigga on Jesus. What the fuck? And this nigga got a TV with an antenna on it. I'm fucking dead! Alright, bro. Just take my... Want the Duke, right? Oh, this nigga's on 5 beers. Oh my god, this nigga's on 5 beers. Roman. A Duke Destroyer to a Duke Destroyer. Let's just get our Duke taken. Huh? Yo, fam.
Turn your lights off.
Yo, fam.
Oh.
Yo, fam. How you doing? Yo, Gangalicious, we could work something out. You already ate my brother. You ain't gotta do it to me. Got barbed wire around your fence. Yo, I'm immediately running. Yo, this nigga has so much aura. Yo, this nigga has so much aura. He's literally standing in the only exit with a weapon in his hand. This nigga has so much aura. Yo. What? That's like walking in the woods and you see somebody duck their head behind a tree. Crazy? I'm running the opposite direction. Or let's see, nigga, I see you in the woods out of nowhere. You're fucking finished. Yo, he probably just want a high five or a hug or something, huh? Yo, Redix, you think he just wants a hug? Yo, join my call, Redix, right now.
Yeah.
Redix! Fucking G, my nigga. Yeah. Another nigga took my dude. Yeah, another nigga, yeah. My dude. That's the game? That nigga just take my booty, that's it? Hold on, bro. Let me look it up on YouTube. No way a nigga just snatches my booty. And that's it. Whole booty hole. And just that's it. Yo, that nigga grabs my boot. Yo, I'm telling you, Missing Hiker would not be a true story if I was in that shit, bro. First of all, I'm not going into the woods trying to go find my brother that potentially could be missing. Killed, missing, getting tortured. By myself. Hold on, let me get. By myself, nigga? First of all, I got too much aura for that. This nigga lost hella aura points off going into the forest by himself. Walks up on somebody's tit that potentially could be fucking hoes. Giving her straight to her, giving her deep strokes. Right? No, he was probably up in that tit beating his shit. Walks up to him, almost gets fucking blasted. Nigga just jumps out his fucking tit. Who does that? Tells you, you're hearing weird noises, screaming and shit. No red flags? Keep going deeper into the fucking woods. Go to sleep. No protection. You're screaming and shit. You lost even more aura because you thought you had the nuts to walk up on a gated house with no protection. Thought at your brother's bag, fucking empty, and decided to walk into the nigga's house, which he could kill you for walking into his house because you don't own it. Could have fucking killed you right there and got it justified. Walk in, looking around, you see your tent photos. Niggas been taking pictures of you. You don't grab the axe that's clearly in fucking back. Instead, you walk towards the nigga. Ooh. No wonder I got my fucking dupe taken. Fucking stupid. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done with these games, bro. Because they putting you in unrealistic scenarios that I would never be in. This nigga bodies would be lit up. That nigga whole body would be lit up. That nigga wouldn't even feel cold no more. It would be nothing but numbness and pain. And the heat from the bullets, my nigga. Hell no. Got it. A W game though. Who made it? Who made this game? Let me go to their YouTube or Twitter. Mr. Jibbles. Jim. Yeah, this game is fine, bro. You just put me in a scenario I would never be in.